Hey my loves, it's Eline, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a little makeup haul for you guys. So I did some online shopping on the Zoeva and Colourpop website and I thought I would film a little haul for you guys. I love filming hauls, I love watching hauls, and I also really love Zoeva and Colourpop, as you guys know. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to be all about. So I don't have a ton of products, but I do have enough to share it in a haul. So if you want to know what I picked up from Colourpop and Zoeva lately, then just keep on watching. Alright, so starting off with Colourpop, the first thing I picked up is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral 10. If you saw my previous Colourpop haul, or the one before that even, you would know I already picked this up. But I love this concealer so much that this is actually my second one. So I already started using this one because I used up my other one. And that is how much I love it. That is how much I freaking love this concealer. It is a great concealer. The only thing I would say though is that one, there is not a lot of product in this concealer. And secondly, it does oxidize. So keep that in mind. So when you're picking out your shade online, definitely keep that in mind and get a shade lighter than what you would usually get. But I am in the shade Fair Neutral, which is number 10. So this is what the wand looks like. I already filmed a dedicated video, but I will swatch it again. So this is what number 10 looks like, but you will see that it will start to oxidize. So this one I just swatched, and if I swatch it again, you see the shade difference. So that is the only negative thing I have to say about this concealer, but aside from that, this is a great concealer. It is high coverage, but it doesn't look cakey underneath my eyes, it doesn't crease. It is the one I'm wearing right now. And I am super happy with this concealer, so I picked up a backup and I already started using it, so yeah. Alright, so next from Colourpop, I picked up a single eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Glass Ball. I think this was one of their newer shades, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't used it yet, so this is what it looks like up close. This shade looked so pretty on the website, and I think it was on sale as well, so I decided to pick it up. It is very, very powdery, as you can see, but this is what it looks like, and it looks so pretty. Look at that. And I personally really love Colourpop eyeshadows, so yeah, I got that as well. I also got the Supernova shadow in the shade Firecracker. So this was relatively new, and this is basically a liquid foiled eyeshadow. And I wanted to give these a try because a lot of people compared these to the Stila Magnificent Metals, which is one of my favorite eyeshadows. So I decided to pick it up, and this is the shade Firecracker. So it comes with a little wand, and I will swatch it right here. So as you can see, this is a beautiful shade. Now I have to be completely honest, I've only used this once, and so far it isn't like my favorite thing ever, but I do want to film a video comparing it to the Stila Magnificent Metal one, so I will keep on using it and apply it different ways so I can see what works and what doesn't. But this is the shade right here, and once it dries, it doesn't move. So yeah, I still have to play around with this and find a way I can use it, but so far it's not my favorite. Also from Colourpop, I got the Brow Boss Gel. So this is just a clear eyebrow gel. But yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It is very small, I have to admit. This is what the wand looks like, and as you can see, this is white. Kathleen Lights was talking about it, and she already mentioned how it is white. But I decided to try it out anyways, and at first I was really scared to use it. But it actually works. Like, I use it on my eyebrows today and it doesn't look white whatsoever. I love how it sets my eyebrows perfectly, and when I use this, they don't move throughout the day. So this is a great eyebrow gel. I just don't know if you have really dark eyebrows. Maybe the white might be noticeable, so I don't know, but for my eyebrows, it works perfectly. Alright, and then lastly from Colourpop, I picked up a brush, and this is, I think it's number 10, but I'm not sure. And this is what it looks like. So I already used it, but this is basically an eyeshadow blending brush. I personally really love Colourpop's brushes, and I didn't own any of their blending brushes, so I decided to pick it up. And I think it is a great blending brush, so I'm really happy I picked it up. Their brushes are really inexpensive, and I love the quality. They're amazing. Alright, so then moving on, I also picked up a few items from Zoeva. So they have been coming out with a ton of new collections, and I decided to pick up a few of them. So starting off, I picked up the Opulence collection. So this collection comes with an eyeshadow palette and a blush palette, and I picked up both of them. I already filmed a dedicated review and tutorial using these, which is already up, so I will link it down below if you're interested. But yeah, this is what the packaging looks like, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. Now the only downside with this eyeshadow palette is that it only comes with one matte eyeshadow, which is not enough to create an entire look. But I do really love the quality of this. For only 20 euros, the quality is amazing. Now the only thing that I'm missing in here is like an eyeshadow that really packs a lot of punch, that almost looks like a foiled eyeshadow. This palette doesn't really come with a foiled eyeshadow. They're just like really soft shimmers, which is also beautiful, but I really like that intense foiled eyeshadow, as you can probably tell. And this really doesn't come with that, but I do love the matte. I do love this blue, and just the overall color selection is really pretty. Then next I also picked up the blush palette. Again, if you want to know more about it, check out that video. But it comes with one highlight, a matte blush, and a slightly shimmery blush. This one looks very intimidating, but it really isn't. It is very wearable actually, and I really love this blush palette. The quality is amazing. This highlight is freaking gorgeous. I will swatch it right here. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but this highlight is gorgeous. And I also really enjoy these blushes, so yeah. Alright, moving on, I picked up another eyeshadow palette by Zoeva, and this is the Cafe eyeshadow palette. So as always, it comes in a little sleeve. This is what the packaging looks like, and then this is what the inside looks like. Now this eyeshadow palette to me looks very unique. I haven't tried it out yet. I did swatch it and take pictures of it, but I can't wait to play around with this because this color is screaming my name, this color is screaming my name, this matte shade is screaming my name, this matte shade is screaming my name. Like, I am definitely going to create an olive eyeshadow look with this because look at that. So yeah, again, the quality of this is really good. It is not as good as the other eyeshadows I've tried by Zoeva, but it is really good still. And then lastly, I picked up the Offline palette, which looks like this. On the inside, this is what it looks like. Again, this palette looks quite unique to me, and I love these shades. It is something different than the neutral eyeshadows that I'm used to. So yeah, this palette I can definitely use to step out of my comfort zone. It also comes with a few matte shadows, which is great. And again, this blue is screaming my name. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. So again, haven't used this one on my actual eyes, but it looks so promising. Alright, so that is everything I picked up from Colourpop and Zoeva lately. I know this was a short haul, but I thought I would switch it up between all of my long hauls. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have picked up anything by Colourpop or Zoeva lately, because I would love to know. Also, if you like hauls, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know to film more of those. So yeah, I will definitely use all of these products in future videos, so keep an eye out on my channel if you're interested in those. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow my socials, which are linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video.